Starting with the great and glorious name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are doing well and under the special bless of Allah. Dear students, we are going to discuss the book exercises of unit number 10. So let us start with the glossary. First of all, you note down your today's homework. You have to learn the glossary properly. I told you before as well, Claire, that the glossary terms, the terms mentioned in the glossary comes in the objective part of the paper. So it is very necessary to make it learn. Open up page 98 of your book. The first one, word, let us discuss its meaning. Though we have discussed it while we were doing the translation, still, let us make it more clear. Disrupt. To make it difficult for something to continue in the normal way. मतलब कि खलल डालना. Clear? Next, benefit. You can make it learn right now as well by repeating it with me, Claire. So, benefit. An advantage that something gives you. Faida. Clear? A helpful and useful effect that something has. Faidamand. Hona. Yeah, faida. Then next one. Drought. A long period of time when there is little or no rain. मतलब कि बारिश नहीं होती तो definitely it is that we call खुश्क साली. Clear? So the drought means खुश्क साली. Then the next one. Proprietors. The owner of a business, a hotel, etc. Clear? Malik. And this is the plural. So, Malikan. Then, traits. A particular quality in your personality. So, you are also having some traits. Clear? A particular quality in your personality. Khususiyat. Genes. Gene. A unit inside a cell which controls a particular quality in a living thing that has been passed on from its parents. Clear? मतलब कि विरासत से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाली ख़ुसूसियात जो हैं पेरेंट्स से ऑफस्प्रिंग में इसी के ज़रिए जीन्स के ज़रिए ट्रांसफ़र होती हैं. क्लियर? A unit inside a cell which controls a particular quality in a living thing that has been passed on from its parents. Clear? The next one. Notch. A level on a scale, मतलब limit. Had, darja. Often marking quality or achievement. Clear? Quality या achievement को mark करने के लिए उसकी निशानदेही के लिए it is used. What? Notch. Darja. Clear? Next one. Ailments. An illness that is not very serious. मतलब कि बीमारियाँ. आम अमराज जो होती हैं. Clear? Ailments. An illness that is not very serious. Clear? After that, bulkiness. Bulk. Bulk से निकला है. Bulkiness. Large and difficult to move or carry. Boj. मतलब कि किसी चीज़ की बहुत ज़्यादा मिकदार, बोझ। देन कंसीव, तसव्वुर करना, तसव्वुर। टू फॉर्म एन आइडिया, अ प्लान, एट्सेट्रा। इन योर माइंड, टू इमेजिन समथिंग, टू इमेजिन समथिंग, किसी चीज़ को तसव्वुर करना, किसी चीज़ का ख्याल लाना दिमाग में। क्लियर? इन योर माइंड, जहन में किसी चीज़ को तसव्वुर करना या दिमाग में किसी चीज़ का ख्याल लाना। क्लियर? प्लान, मंसूबा, means when you think about something, so definitely you plan for that. Clear? Then stagnant, munjamid, रुका हुआ। Clear? Stopped, not developing, growing or changing। तरक्की ना करना, रुका हुआ एक जगह पर। क्लियर? तब्दील ना होना, अपनी जगह ना चेंज करना, मीन्स रुका हुआ, stagnant। Clear? This is the end of our today's lecture. Please learn the glossary thoroughly. Clear? Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.